Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about 8 golden techniques to ace your exams. If you ever care about how to study effectively or get the best results in your exam, this is just for you. So let's dive in and be sure to watch this video till the end. Technique 1 is proper planning. Planning is half of the success. The first and the most important technique is planning your study sessions. Break your subjects into smaller chunks. Allocate specific time slots for each chunk. Don't forget to include short breaks. Technique 2 is Pomodoro technique. Have you ever heard that long study sessions can tire your brain? So, is where Pomodoro technique saves your life and brain. Study for 20 minutes, take a 5 minutes break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break. Technique 3 is active recall. Simply reading your notes and information or lessons is not enough. So, you should active recall. Design questions from your material. Write answers without looking at the book. Identify mistakes and revise those areas again. Technique 4 is quality sleep or good sleeping. This technique is very important. Don't stay up all night before your exam. A good night's sleep improves your memory and boosts your focus. Technique 5. Healthy diet. This is so important what you eat. Your brain needs fuel just like your body does. Eat nutritious food like nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Technique 6 is summarization. Summarizing means condensing complex information into smaller points. This helps you retain your new information, such as biology or medicine or any information better. Write short, concise summaries. Use diagrams, mind maps, or bullet points. Technique 7 is practice exams. Test yourself before actual exam by solving tests or simple questions. You'll get familiar with the question patterns. It reduces exam anxiety. The final technique is technique 8. This is very important. This technique is controlling your stress and trying to stay calm. Before your exam, practice deep breathing and tell yourself, I've got this. So, these were 8 golden techniques to improve your learning, memory, brain, and finally get the best results in your exam. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, like the video, hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next video. So, thanks for watching and take care.